We're looking good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the Morphe 35M Gloss palette. I'm not exactly sure when this palette was released, but I have been eyeing it for a while. I'm so happy I finally got my hands on it. It's a beautiful palette. I actually want to show you guys the colors. Straight out of the box, it just comes in a black package. This is pretty much the eyeshadow palette. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. The only Morphe palette I have is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, which is amazing. It's real nice to, have another palette because I know their pigments are like off the chart. And then once you open the palette, you do have like this plasticky things, and it comes with the different names of the shadows. Take that off, you have a beautiful, gorgeous you have a beautiful, gorgeous palette. There's a nice range of colors. You get some greens, some yellows, some oranges, some purples, some berries. You get a nice black, which is essential. My only thing is there's no mirror on this palette. I just for convenience, I always like my palettes to kind of come with a mirror, but I'm not gonna bitch about it. I'm just gonna move on and show you guys the colors. Not exactly sure how much I got this palette for. I think I got it about 2-3 weeks ago, but I'm just gonna quickly check. Okay, so it retails for 30 Canadian dollars, and I believe I got mine with like a 20% discount, so which is good. I did end up paying about 7 Canadian dollars for shipping, but there was like 20% off, so with taxes and everything and the discount, I ended up paying $38.80. Not bad. For 35 shades, that's pretty much like $1 for each eyeshadow, which is I can't complain about. So today, I honestly do want to try some greens. I feel like I haven't done, okay, actually maybe I have, but I just want to play with the greens because they look good. So let's just jump right into the video. I already have my foundation, brows, and everything pretty much done. We're just gonna dig right into this eyeshadow. I'm just working this above my crease. So it's very obvious that this color is very pigmented, and guys, the fallout is pretty minimal. Like, just take a look, there's barely anything there. Like, I'm gonna deepen the crease by going in with a darker green. And next I'm gonna apply green with Envy. I want to create a halo look, so I'm just applying green with Envy to the inner and outer corner of my lids. And I'm just going in with Nude, and I'm just gonna make sure the crease is nice and blended. I'm just gonna switch to a softer blending brush, and I'm just gonna keep blending until everything looks good. Okay, and I'm just gonna go back one more time with the first color with Stroke of Luck, just to make sure we haven't lost the light green. Guys, this palette is everything. Okay, moving on, I'm gonna apply some concealer, and I'm just gonna apply this to the middle of my lids. So I'm just gonna use a small brush and work that concealer in all the way to my crease. Okay, so Shinsa looks amazing, guys. And this glitter color just applies so flawlessly. Like, there is some fallout as expected with glitter shadows, but it applies so smoothly. I am impressed. Like, this looks good. It's kind of buttery. I didn't have to spritz my brush on nothing. I'm pretty much just dabbing it onto the concealer, and it's sticking just fine, which is good. Amazing. I feel like I said that a lot, but yeah, guys, these pigments are good. The eyeshadows, beautiful, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead with green with Envy, so at the end, kind of darken that and give it a nice transition. I'm just gonna go in here as well, and I'm just gonna take green with Envy just a little above the crease as well. Okay, so far so good. I am loving this look. Like, this is different from anything I've done. I love it. I love it. How can I say I love you? Oh my god. I could definitely sing for, a living. It should be my day job. But I'm gonna line my eyes using my jet black liner. This one's from e.l.f. Okay, I'm off camera and I applied my lashes, and these lashes are from Beauty Lashes, and the box is empty, but this one's Dane, and I do believe I've featured them on a few of my videos lately, and the box says June 316, you're so loved, which is cute. Let me know if you'd like to see a lash video. I feel like I've gotten like way better like at applying lashes. We could film or we could handle a lash 101 kind of tutorial. So let me know if you guys would like to see that video. I'm gonna go in with this darker green. This one's called Express Yourself. Express Yourself. Gorgeous. I want to play with every single color in this palette. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna, you know, have enough time to film enough videos, but oh gosh. Okay, so we're almost done. Just a few more finishing touches. I'm gonna go into Bold Moves. It's like a really green glitter shadow, and I'm gonna take this and apply it to my inner tear duct. Oh, looking good. I'm gonna try to create an inner, like move my inner liner, just take it out a little more. I always tend to mess this up. To intensify the look, I'm gonna go in with my NYX black paint pencil, and I'm just gonna line my waterline. Finish it up, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Falsies. Lastly, and this is the very last thing we gotta do with the eyes. I feel like I've said lastly a lot. We're gonna go in with this is a brow bone color at the end. I'm not sure what it's called. Let's see here. Light of the Party. This is the 10 color blush palette, and I'm gonna be using this rosy pink color. Is it rosy pink? Kind of like a dark pink blush. Some days you just do your makeup and you're like, damn girl, you look good. You're too good for this shit. The world doesn't deserve you, honey. That's how I feel right now. Anyways, I got some from like my drugstore from Shoppers. This is the Essence pencil in Teddy. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is the unbuttoned lipstick. Just to finish up the look, I'm gonna apply my lip gloss from Fenty Beauty as well. And this is just a universal lip gloss. This is beautiful and I can't wait to wear this out. I really love the look. Let me know what you guys think. And this palette, guys, I feel like everybody could use it. Like, you could use it, I could use it, we all could use it. It's beautiful, guys. I really love this palette. It's good. I don't know what else to say. Pigment, great. Glitters, good. You know, range of colors, check. And it's been out there for a while. I don't think it's a new palette. I honestly don't know when it was released, but you know, if you haven't snagged it, this should be on your wish list. You need this for Christmas. I'm just telling you, okay? And thank me later. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos. I'm gonna leave a few links here just in case you want to see more of this face. If you haven't subscribed, guys, come on. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to tap on the bell so you're notified every time I post a new beautiful video. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.